If you love HTML and designing your own emails from scratch, check out our custom code editor. We've got a refreshed experience that will allow you to see live previews of your code, find errors or layout issues before sending, save automatically, and even send to segmented contact lists. In this short video, we'll show you a high-level overview of the editor and how you can schedule your custom code email. To get started, click Create and then click Email. Click Custom Code to jump into the editor. Highlight this line here and then paste your custom HTML code. You can also click Insert to choose an image from your library, insert personalized contact information, or add back a tracking image, which will allow your open rates to be tracked in your reporting. If you want to see how your code looks so far, click the toggle for Live Preview. A preview will display on the right, letting you identify any potential display issues. If there are any problems with your code, a red X or a yellow warning icon will display with a number of identified issues. The red X means you are using code that is not supported by our editor and will block your email from sending. The yellow warning icon lets you know that you have code that isn't a normal attribute. It will be stripped from your email upon sending, but you should review the errors and update them accordingly, as it could distort the appearance of your email. Once you've finished building your email, click Email Settings to customize the subject line, From Name, From Address, and Reply to Address. When you're finished, click Save. Just like our drag and drop editor, you can click Check and Preview to preview how your email looks and send tests to anyone you'd like. Then click Continue. Choose the list or segment you want to send your email to, and then decide when you want this email to send. Click Schedule when you're finished. And that's how you can create and send custom HTML code emails with Constant Contact.